Hello children, this is a conclusion video for the lesson 4-digit numbers. On this page, we will be doing mathletics. Here, we are going to write the answers for these questions, what we have learnt in the whole lesson. So, shall we start children? Yes. The first one, write the number and number name. So, these cubes, how many cubes are there? How many squares, rectangles and small cubes or squares? We need to write their number and their number name for these and this abacus as well. So shall we start? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cubes represent 1000. So this is 7000. 1, 2. 2 hundreds. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. And finally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So the number becomes 7000 236. The next one, on this abacus, in the 1000 stick, we can see 1, 2, 3 beads. So 3000, 1 bead on 100 stick, so 100, 0 on 10s stick, so 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4 on 1 stick. So 3104. 3104. The next main. Write in the expanded form. How do we write this in expanded form? 4 in thousands place. So 4000, 800, 0 in tens is 0 plus 3. The next one, 9875. I hope you all remember this. Yes. Arrange in ascending order. Ascending order is from small to big. Good. 760, 6007. There are 3 6000s children. First we see the ones place, then tens place, then hundreds place. Then comes 6070, 6070, 6700, finally 7600. The next one, 986, 4709, 4768, 5113 and 8214. The next main is arrange in descending order, that is big to small. The first one, 8211, 5464, 3603, 2489 and 894. Second one, 6504, 5604, 4560, 4506, 456. The next question, form the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using the digits 3, 7, 0 and 8. So for the greatest, we find the biggest number first we shall be writing. So 8. Next is 7, 3, 0. This is the greatest 4-digit numbers. Now smallest 4-digit numbers, you cannot write 0, 3, 7, 8. 0 has no value in the beginning. So we shall be writing 3 first, 0 next, 7, 8. So this is the smallest 4-digit number from the given numbers. The sixth one, write the following numbers in Roman system, which we learned just now. So Roman number we have to write 20, that is x, 3, I, 23. Then 39, x, 9 is written as x. Write the place value and face value of 3. I hope you remember this. So here 1243. They want to know the place value and face value of 3. So here 3 is in which place? Ones place. So 3 is in ones place. Ones. So the place value is in ones place, and face value is always the digit itself is a face value, which is 3. Okay? The next one, that is 6340, wherein 3 is in which place? Hundreds place. So we write it as hundreds. That means in bracket it will be 300, hundreds place. And the face value will be the number itself, which is 3. The next one. Sumit walks 2650 steps every day. Sunita walks 2750 steps every day. Who walks more? The ones place is same, tens place is same, but the hundreds place 7 is bigger. Okay, so Sunita walks more than Sumit. So the answer will be, who walks more? Sunita walks more. The final one, what is 10 less than 4675? So here it means to say that we have to reduce or minus 10 from 4675. So the answer will be 4665. The second question, 100 less than 8795. So here hundreds place is 7. We have to minus 100 from 700. So it becomes 8695. The next one. 1 less than 2346. 1 is single digit. It is in ones place. So 6 minus 1 will become 5. So that means 2345. 1000 less than 7500. This is thousands place. So 7 minus 1 becomes 6500. 1 more than. Now we have to add. All this while we subtracted. Now we have to add. 1 more than 3456 becomes 3457. 10 more than 3465. It becomes 3004. The tens place. That means plus 10 becomes 75. 100 more than 3465. Hundreds place should be increased. So 3565. Finally, 1000 more than 3465. The thousands place gets increased by 1000. 4465. Shall we turn the page, children? To continue on the next page, that is Mathletics B. MCQs. That means multiple choice questions. There will be 4 choices. You have to choose the correct answer for the given question. So the first one, the largest 4-digit number is, out of these given 4 numbers, which is the largest 4-digit number? This is 5 digits. We cannot take it into consideration. The remaining numbers 4000, 9999 and 9000. Yes, it is 9,999. This is the largest 4-digit number. The place value of 6 in 5,769. So 6 is in the tens place. That means it is 60. Okay. The next one. The smallest 4-digit number formed by the digits 6, 0, 7, 9 is. Which is the smallest number? We cannot use 0 in the beginning if we have to form a 4-digit number. So, we will take 6, 0, 7, 9. This is the smallest 4-digit number. The next one. The largest 4-digit number, but it should be an even number. The largest 4-digit even number is. Even is in the ones place, it should have a even number. Here in 9,000, 0 is an even number. And here 9 is an odd number. 8 is a even number. Again here 8 is a even number. But then we should take the largest 4-digit even number. So we cannot consider B. Out of the other three, 9,998 is the highest or largest 4-digit even number. 15 is written in Roman numerals as. How do we write 15? For 1, which is in tens place, it is X. For 5, it is V. Correct. So this is XV. The next one, higher order thinking. What is the difference between the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 0, 9, 9, 8? So here we are using these given 4 digits to make, first of all, we will make the first largest number, that is, the greatest number will be 9, 9, 8, 0. Difference means minus. Below this we shall write the smallest 4-digit number, that is 8, 0, 9, 9. Put a minus sign. Now we shall find the difference. 0 minus 9 doesn't go, so we borrow 1. This becomes 10. 10 minus 9 is 1. Here there is only 7. So again we borrow 1. 17 minus 9 is 8. And here we have only 8. 8 minus 0 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer is 1881. I hope you all can see, children. It is 9,980 is the greatest number. 8,099 is the smallest number. 4-digit numbers. And the difference means we have to subtract. So after we subtract it, we get 1,881. The next question is quite interesting, but a little confusing too. I am a 4-digit number. It can be any 4-digit number, children. If my digits are reversed is back to front, I become a 3-digit number. What is the digit in my ones place? So can you give me the answer? We shall do a small workout on this, children. So here, children, we can take any digits to be a 4-digit number. For example, it can be 1, 2, 3, 4. This forms a 4-digit number. But when you reverse it, that is 4, 3, 2, 1. This still remains a 4-digit number and it doesn't become a 3-digit number. So as per the question, once you write a 4-digit number, when you reverse it, it has to become a 3-digit number. That means in our 4-digit number, we should have a 0 in the ones place. It can be 1, 9,230, or it can be any other number as well. 9,990. But when we reverse this, it should be only 3-digit number. For example, when we reverse this, since 0 has no value in the beginning, we write 3, 2, 1. And this becomes 999. So did you all get it, children? So the question says, I am a 4-digit number. If my digits are reversed, I become a 3-digit number. So these are the 3-digit numbers. What is the digit in my ones place? So we need to have 0 as in ones place for the 4-digit number to convert it or to make it a 3-digit number when we reverse the 4-digit number. Okay, so shall we write it in our textbook, children? So here the number that is on the ones place will be 0. Example, we can take a smallest number 1, 2, 3, 0. When reversed, it becomes 0, 3, 2, 1, wherein 0 has no value in the beginning. So it will be the 0 will be the number that is in the ones place of the 4 digits. Okay. The next one. Read the time on the clocks. There are 2 clocks with 2 timings. So we have to find out the timings. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means to say it is 5 o'clock. 5:00, 5 o'clock. Then here it is moving towards 12, and this is in between 9 and 10, small needle. So the timing will be 9, and since this is the minutes hand, this will be 30. So this becomes 9:30. Okay? Yes. The next one. It's a small project work that you all need to do, but I shall help you all with this. Okay? So we shall read the question, children. The question for the project work is, find the heights of these mountains in meters. Arrange them in descending order of their heights. First we need to find the heights of these given mountains. Mount Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest, Mount Lords, Mount Godwin Austen. First we shall write out their heights and then we shall arrange them in descending order. What is descending order? Big to small. So we shall find out the meters first. The height in meters for these mounts. So shall we start, children? The height of Mount Kanchenjunga in meters is 8,586 meters. Mount Everest is 8,848 in meters. Mount Lords is 8,516 meters. And Mount Godwin Austen is 8,611 meters. As we all know that Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. So now we have to write them in descending order. First we shall all write them all first. 8,586, 8,516, 8,848, and the last one 8,611. Now the answer should be written in descending order, big to small. So it will be 8,848, Then comes 8,611, then 8,586, and finally 8,516. So by this we have finished our Mathletics B part. The final thing given here is a good information about Vedic maths. Heritage Vedic maths. The decimal system was invented by ancient Indian mathematicians. The Arabs learnt the system and passed it on to other countries. That is why the system is also called the Hindu-Arabic system. It is now used all over the world. I hope you remember the Roman numerals part, children. Under that topic we had learnt the decimal system, which means the numerals. It was actually invented by ancient Indian mathematicians. The Arabs learned the system, that is the decimal system, and passed it on to other countries. And that is why it is called as Hindu-Arabic system. And now it is used all over the world. So by this we have finished our first lesson, children. Thank you so much.